Welcome! We're diving into a detailed look at a supplement called Liv Pure. And instead of just rattling off features and benefits like a sales pitch, we're going to walk through what this product is, why it exists, what makes it different, and whether it might fit into your own life. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of whether it's worth considering. So, let's start with the basics. Liv Pure is positioned as a supplement that supports your liver health. Now, that might sound a little unexpected at first because when people think about weight loss or boosting energy, they don't immediately think liver. But here's the catch. Your liver plays one of the most important roles in how your body processes fat, filters toxins, and keeps your metabolism functioning smoothly. So, the idea behind Liv Pure is not just to throw another diet pill your way, but to focus on restoring your body's natural fat-burning engine, your liver. What sets it apart? A lot of products talk about fat burners or appetite suppressants, but this one takes a different route. It's built around what they call the liver purification and liver fat-burning complexes. That basically means it's designed to clear away harmful toxins that slow your liver down and then spark it into running at a more efficient level. If your liver is sluggish, your whole system feels sluggish. If it's working well, everything else has a much easier time falling into place. That's the unique angle here. Now, I know you might be wondering, what's actually inside it? Because ingredients are the real deal when it comes to whether a supplement is worth even thinking about. Liv Pure highlights natural plant-based ingredients, including things like Silymarin from milk thistle, which is known for protecting and supporting the liver. There's also Berberine, a compound that helps regulate metabolism and blood sugar. Add in Resveratrol, which you've probably heard about for its antioxidant benefits, and ingredients like camellia tea extract, genistein, and chlorogenic acid. Together, this mix isn't just about fat loss. It's about building a healthier internal system that makes fat loss a natural byproduct. So how does it work in practice? According to the creators, when you take Liv Pure regularly, these ingredients start cleansing your liver and then enhancing its fat-burning capacity. It's not a magic overnight trick. It's more of a process where your body gradually returns to its natural rhythm. Over time, that means improved metabolism, more efficient fat burning, and better overall energy levels. And if you're curious about results, the company suggests that consistent use can lead to noticeable differences, whether that's in your weight, your energy, or just feeling lighter overall. Of course, as with anything, results will vary. Safety is another concern most people ask about. The formula is made from natural, plant-based ingredients, and it's advertised as being non-GMO and free from harmful additives. Generally, it should be safe for most adults, but it's not meant for pregnant or breastfeeding women, and if you're on medication or have health conditions, it's always best to check with your doctor. Speaking of supplies, let's break down the pricing. There are 3 main bundles: the 2-bottle package, a 60-day supply at $79 per bottle plus shipping. The 3-bottle package, a 90-day supply at $69 per bottle, for a total of $207, also plus shipping. And the most popular choice, the 6-bottle package, which gives you 180 days at just $49 per bottle, $294 in total, and includes free shipping. On top of that, every order is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, meaning you can try it risk-free and decide if it's right for you. There's also a return policy in place. They give you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't feel like it's working for you, you can request a refund. That adds some peace of mind and makes it less of a risk to try. If you're asking me for an opinion, I'd say the most convincing part of Liv Pure is that it's not trying to sell you a quick gimmick. It's focusing on the liver, which really is at the heart of how your body handles fat. The ingredient list is solid, natural, and well thought out, and the pricing, especially with the 6-bottle discount and free shipping, makes it competitive. Add in the 60-day money-back guarantee, and it feels like one of those why not give it a try? Situations if you're serious about making a shift. So, if this sounds like something you'd like to explore, the official link is in the description. That's where you'll also find the current discounts and any special offers available. At the end of the day, your health is your most important investment. Liv Pure is simply one potential tool to help you unlock better energy, better fat burning, and a healthier system overall. If that resonates with you, now might be the time to act.